What if you could build an entire YouTube channel using only AI, without any skills, camera, or editing? Welcome to JobCast Daily. If you want to learn how to build an online income from scratch, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and drop a comment below. The technology now exists to take you from a completely blank text document to a polished, monetized video in a matter of minutes. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully produced video ready to upload and a concrete, step-by-step roadmap to start your growth. The traditional barriers to entry for YouTube have been replaced by a new requirement. Success is no longer determined by how well you can use a camera, but by how effectively you can orchestrate a specific sequence of AI tools. Step 1 is the foundation. Every successful video requires a structured, engaging script to move your concept into actual production. To avoid generic outputs, we use ChatGPT. You need to input a highly structured prompt template that dictates the exact tone, pacing, and hook you want. This is a process called prompt engineering, which is the practice of refining instructions to ensure an AI provides the most accurate and useful output possible. But a great script will fail if the delivery is flat. If your voiceover sounds robotic, viewers often click away before they ever reach the core value of your video. We solve this using 11 Labs. Inside the platform, you paste your ChatGPT script, select a specific human voice profile from the drop-down menu, and tweak the emotion and stability sliders to dial in a realistic conversational tone. Within seconds, the tool generates a high-quality, human-sounding MP3 file that you can download directly to your computer. High-fidelity audio removes the friction that causes viewers to drop off early, allowing the strength of your script to keep them watching through the end of the video. Now that the audio foundation is locked, it is time to assemble the visuals and complete the viewer's sensory experience. We take the finalized script and the 11 Labs audio track and feed them into Pictory AI. By selecting the Script to Video function, Pictory automatically pulls matching stock footage and generates precise on-screen captions synced to your audio. The most common failure point here is the AI occasionally pulling mismatched B-roll. B-roll is a term for the supplemental background footage used to visually support the narration. If you spot a bad clip in the timeline, it takes a 10-second manual fix to search the built-in library and swap it for a contextually accurate video. With the assembly complete, the internal production is finished. However, your video remains invisible if the packaging fails to demand a click from the audience. For packaging, we use Canva. The strict rule for rapid thumbnail creation is using bold, high-contrast colors combined with fewer than 4 words of text. It must be instantly readable on a tiny mobile screen. By automating visual assembly in Pictory and thumbnail design in Canva, you remove the technical learning curves of traditional video production. Creating a single video proves the concept. Building a business requires a consistent daily operational system. This diagram breaks down a daily schedule. You dedicate Mondays strictly to generating scripts and Tuesdays to assembling timelines. This staggered schedule prevents creator burnout. Instead of rushing a single video, you build a repeating cycle of content. This consistency leads toward the primary long-term revenue stream of YouTube AdSense. AdSense is Google's advertising program that pays creators a share of the revenue from ads displayed on their videos once they meet specific eligibility requirements. You can also integrate targeted affiliate marketing links in your video descriptions immediately. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based system where you earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link. This provides a potential path to revenue as soon as your first viewer clicks. The value of AI automation isn't just speed, it is the ability to build a library of digital assets that can continue to generate views and revenue long after you hit upload. You know the exact journey. You can go from a blank screen to a fully edited, voiced, and packaged wall of media using AI tools. Your sole objective right now is to stop overthinking. Open ChatGPT, use this exact framework, and produce your very first video today. To master the rest of these systems, subscribe to JobCast Daily right now. And before you start your script, comment below with the specific niche you plan to target. Knowing these AI tools exist is becoming common. Actively deploying them into a consistent daily system is the dividing line between digital consumers and digital creators. See you in the next video.